A lot of the time when I'm talking to one of my clients about their injuries, they start talking about everything that their spouse has gone through because of the accident. I start talking to them about a consortium claim. Now, a lot of people think that consortium is just about one thing, and they think it's about the capacity to enjoy physical relations with the person they're married to. And yes, it's partly about that. But really, it's about a whole lot more than that. Loss of consortium includes any loss of companionship or services of your husband or your wife because they were injured in an accident. In the last year, I've had 2 cases where men sustained serious injury, and these men were in their 80s, and they were caring for their wives, each of whom had Alzheimer's. These are 2 different cases. But in one case, the man had to be hospitalized for 2 weeks, and he had to, when he recuperated, when they put him in a nursing home on a temporary basis, they had to put his wife in with him so that he could take care of her while he was recuperating. The wife had a consortium claim. In one of the cases, the husband had to bring in home health care on a temporary basis for his wife, and he even had to check his wife into a nursing home by herself because he couldn't care for her. I thought each of these cases was a substantial consortium claim, and in each of the cases, the wife had obviously suffered a lot and had been deprived of the services and the help of really the only person who could help her. In each of those cases, we made a very substantial claim for consortium that I'm convinced contributed to the money that was offered to both husband and wife. Insurance attorneys like to make fun of consortium claims, or at least they do it a fair amount, because they imply that it's always about sex. But in the strongest cases that I've seen, it really hasn't been. It's been about the inability of a man or a woman to take care of the person they love the most in what we like to call their golden years. About the fact that sometimes they even have to surrender the care of their husband or wife to strangers. Nobody should have to do this, and anybody who does should be fully compensated for it.